guess what? Welcome back to my channel. Guess what we're gonna freaking do today? We are going to unbox the September 2019 Boxyluxe. I have it right here. We're about to open it up. We're gonna freaking see what's in there. And yeah, get ready, buckle your seatbelts, because it's about to be a fun ride. Before we get into this video, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, because you already know this is gonna be a good video, and turn on the bell for notifications so you can get notified next time I post a dope ass video. Also, if you don't already, I'm gonna insert my Insta. Please follow me on Instagram at jbayproductions. You want to see that content, I want you to see that content. Show me some love on Instagram, say hello, tell me you're from my channel, and I will be so freaking excited and so thankful. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video of mine. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to start out with telling you a little bit about Boxycharm. If you haven't heard of it before, it is a beauty subscription box. The normal Boxycharm you get every month, and it has 4 to 5 full-size products in your box. But if you upgrade and you are a Boxyluxe member, you will get a Boxyluxe, and you get it 4 times a year. The Boxyluxe comes with a ton more products, a ton more value, and it's just awesome. I love it. If you're into beauty and you're into makeup, you really should check it out. I love it. I'm not sponsored. Wish I was, but I'm not. I just really love the subscription box, and I want to show you guys what's in my Boxyluxe for the month of September. The last one we got was in June. I did already open it up, but you know what? I haven't gone over the products. I haven't looked to see what the value is. Let's get into this. I'm going to open it up for you right here, right now. Boxycharm always comes with a card, and it always has a different theme for every month, every box, not just Boxyluxe. This month's theme is apparently Boxycharm All Access. So it kind of gives me like a celebrity red carpet type vibe. So that's probably what they were going for. At least that's what I think when I see this. On the back, this is amazing. It'll tell you all the retail prices. It'll tell you what products you're getting. It'll tell you a little bit of information about the product, and at least it gives you the brand. That way you can see everything. And yeah, I love it. And I always love playing like a guessing game with my fiance, so he guesses how much each product is worth. So I'm excited to do that, and I'm going to share all the price information with you guys here in the video, and I'll leave it in the description box. That way you can see what great value it is. If you are subscribed, let me know down below. I want to know what version of the box you got, and let's see what version I got right here. So I'm going to start, and I'm just going to pull an item out of the box, just kind of like a mystery bag. So reaching around, I'm going to go with this item. All right, so it's a palette, and it looks like it's an eyeshadow palette. All right, so it's from Voss. I'm going to set this down so I can show you guys, and I'm going to look too. It's called the Voss Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, cute. I already see a couple items that I would really, or a couple eyeshadows that I would really like. This gives me like fall vibes. This one I'm loving. So, so far I'm super excited. This seems like a pretty good item. You get a palette, the full palette. It has 10 shades. So 10 shades is quite a bit. Voss, I've definitely heard of them. I have a couple of their items, and I really like them. I feel like they're really high quality. Let me tell you though, how much is this? It's the first thing on this list. It says that it retails for $29. Something I forgot to add is the Boxyluxe. It costs $49.99 total, I believe. So normal every month you pay $21, and then for the Boxyluxe you upgrade and you pay every 3 months, or when you get it every single time you pay an additional, I believe, what is that, like $20-something extra, and that's what upgrades you to the Boxyluxe. So this right here already covers the price of a normal Boxycharm box with one item, and we have a lot of items to go. So that right there kind of just shows how good of a value that is. So now I'm going to set this to the side, and let's figure out what other items are in this box. All right, I went look. Okay. So the next item I'm coming to is the Tarte Park Ave Princess Chisel Palette. Okay, so I'm loving the packaging. Tarte Park Avenue Princess. I've seen this online, and I've been wanting it, so I'm really excited. I know it's a contour palette. I don't really know what comes in it. All right, so it's huge. I love the packaging. Looks like it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It comes with 6 shades. I'm assuming those are all for contour. I'm really excited I got this one. Let me tell you now how much it is retail. $45. So this alone, honestly, on its own, if it was just its own, almost fully covers the price of the Boxyluxe box. It doubles the Boxycharm box, so it covers like 2 Boxycharm boxes in just one product, and that's amazing. I feel like it's an amazing deal. I'm loving it. So I'm excited for this product. Yeah, so let's go on and move on to the next item. Okay, here's the box. I'm just gonna put that here, and I'm gonna reach in and see what else we got. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Now this is something that they sent out, Boxycharm sent out an email, I want to say a couple months ago, and they are now helping you or giving you the option to customize some of your products. And this one is something I've been really wanting. It's Glow Recipe Pineapple Seed Bright Serum. I've been wanting this product for so long, but I hadn't bought it for myself. So I'm super excited, and when they sent me a customization email, I picked this. I will pop this out and show you. If you haven't seen it on social media, I've heard great things about it. I love Glow Recipe, and it's been something I've been really wanting. So let me go ahead and open it, and so I'm opening it up. Oh, okay, already I love it. It looks like it has the Glow Recipe and the pineapple, like a picture of pineapple. Okay, ooh. All right, so it pulls out in this little carton. Ooh, I'm loving this. OMG, I'm living for this packaging right now. Okay, I don't want it to drop, but it basically opens up into a huge pineapple, and then here's the product. OMG. Okay, so this is a full-size product. OMG, I'm so excited. I have to smell this. I want to see if it smells like pineapple. I'm assuming it does. I hope it does. Oh my gosh, yup, it smells delicious. Okay, I love pineapples. I love pineapple everything. Alright, so you might be wondering what this is. It is a brightening and smoothing serum. It's a vitamin C serum. I'm so excited to give this a try, and most importantly, I'm really excited to put this in my skin fridge. I'm loving my skin fridge. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll insert my little at here at JB Productions. Oh, that I got a skin fridge for my birthday, and I've been loving it. And this is just gonna look so cute in there. So I'm really excited for this. I'm like fangirling because this product, oh my gosh, this in itself makes the entire Boxyluxe worth it to me. I've been wanting this, and it's pretty spendy. I will tell you the exact price. So this alone right here is $49. So that right there is like the same price as the Boxyluxe. So let's go ahead and move on to the next product. I'm gonna grab the next item, which is going to be the Dr. Brandt's Recovery Sleeping Mask, Biotic. So I recognize this packaging. Honestly, might have been the last Boxyluxe in June. They sent out a Dr. Brandt facial cleanser, and I absolutely love that. I've only used it once, and I was loving it. So I'm excited to try this. It says that the sleeping mask deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. That legitimately sounds perfect for me. I have very sensitive skin. I think I've mentioned it before. And so sometimes my skin, depending if I'm using a new kind of product, it'll kind of get irritated. So if this will help me deal with sensitive skin, I'm all for it. Let me go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like. So cute. It's little, but I'm loving it. It literally looks exactly like the facial cleanser they sent in the Boxyluxe in June, except just like a very small mini version, and I'm living for that. So that's super cute. This, oh wow. All right. This alone retails, even though it's small, it's mighty apparently. It retails for $52. So that is, I mean, that's insane. That's the most expensive one we've seen so far during this unboxing. And so yeah, it's super little, but I'm really excited. I'm sure a little bit goes a long way, and I will definitely let you know what I think of it once I use it. So on to the next items. All right, so I feel a little one. Hank & Henry, Stick With It, Blickity Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. So I'm excited to use this. Hank & Henry is a great brand. I've heard of them. I don't think I've ever had any of their products, so this is my first product from them, and I'm excited. I love eyeliner. I haven't been doing it recently, but let me tell you how much it is. Hank & Henry. Okay, so this Hank & Henry Blickity Black eyeliner, it looks like it retails for $20. So that's a really good price. I feel like that's a good value because I know I've spent a little bit more than that on most of my liquid eyeliners, and so that's a good value, and I really like the product so far. $20, good retail price, and it's just another one of the items that I got in here. So I'm excited for that. Let me know below what variation of this box you got. Boxycharm sends different variations of their boxes, so not every single member gets the exact same thing. And obviously with their customization option that they're now offering on select products, obviously everyone gets different things. I will go into a little side story about that, actually, now that it comes to my mind. So about a couple, I would say 2 or 3 days before I got my Boxyluxe, I got an email from Boxycharm, and it was telling me that something happened with the company and not everybody was able to get the product that they selected. And to reimburse people, they were going to send the product that you selected at a future date. They said you should be getting it like next month. They were going to send that, and they said they were going to add 500 to 700 charm points to your account. And so not only are they going to send you the product that you did get, you're keeping the product apparently that you didn't choose, but the other product that was available during customization, you get to keep that. You get to get the product that you wanted. It's just going to take about a month. And not only that, but then they're also giving you charms. They thought that was cool as a company because not all companies would do that. Since I chose the glow recipe, I'm guessing it has to be, I believe they gave me the option to choose makeup brushes or a curling like wand, and I don't really use a wand too much on my hair since I already have naturally curly hair. I wanted the makeup brushes, which I already have too many of, but I mean, hey, you can't have too many, right? The charms can be used to purchase other things on their site, and they usually put items on for sale, and if you stack up enough rewards, charms, then you get to purchase an item with that, or you can just use the charms you have towards the cost of a item that you want to get from the charm room. They only open up the charm room at select times. They'll usually tell you when it's going to be open and when it's going to close, so I'm kind of excited to see if I can get any products with my charms, or stack them up, wait until I can get something that way, or just use it towards an item that I want to buy from their charm room. So yeah, and they offer all kinds of stuff in the charm room. So, but I will stop talking about that and we can move on to the next item. Alright, so let's go move on to the next item. I'm going to just go ahead and reach in here. Okay. Boom. Alright, so what's this? This is IGK, so I've never heard of them. It's Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Oil leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. So sounds like you can use this. It says it works on dry, coarse, and frizzy hair. And so yeah, that's exciting. Let's go ahead and see what the price on that is. Retails for $29. It's a really big product, so you're getting a lot. So I feel like this will last a while. I'm actually pretty excited to try this. I love doing conditioning treatments, and if this is a leave-in, that'll definitely be really nice. Alright, so let me put this down and we will go on to the next item. So this is a Sutra Beauty 32mm clipless curling iron. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So this is the item that I didn't choose. This seems like it. Sutra's a great brand. So yeah, so it comes in a little case. This case is really, really soft, and it feels like it's probably heat protectant, which is awesome. Big wand. Wow, it looks really good quality. So if you do curl your hair or use a wand a lot, this will be really nice. It's a great quality, and I'm not probably going to use it, so maybe I'll gift it to a friend. But yeah, let me know, which one did you pick? Did you pick this, or did you pick the makeup brushes, like that? So yeah, it seems like it's really good quality though, and I love that it came in this little, I'm pretty sure this is a heat protectant bag. Let me tell you how much that product was. Looks like it's a perfect tool for beach waves, glam curls, soft or tight curls, and even ringlets. And it retails for $65. So that I think is the highest priced item out of this box. That's insane. So we have one item left, so let's go ahead and check out that and see what it is. It looks like it's a liquid stay all day lipstick. So yeah, Stila is a great brand, so I'm sure it's an amazing quality, and it's a really pretty color. I got it in the shade Rubino. And so I'm loving that, yeah. So the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, it retails for $22. I'm gonna go ahead and add it up and add all the products up on here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 products total, amazing. And I'm gonna add it up and let you guys know how much it costs. All right, so just added that all up with all the retail prices on the back, and it comes out to $311. So this box, the Boxyluxe for September, retailed, at least my variation, retailed for $311, and you're paying $50 for the box. That is literally a steal. So I'm impressed. I'm always impressed because I'm like, how do they pack that much value into the price that they're giving people? Like, that blows my mind. It's amazing. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you loved all the items that I showed you today from the September Boxyluxe. Tell me below, do you have Boxycharm? Do you subscribe? What variation of the box did you get if you do have it? Let me know what you think, and yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Please, before you leave, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell to get notified, hit this video with a big thumbs up. I really hope you enjoyed it. And last but not least, if you don't already, follow me on Instagram at jbayproductions. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.